and welcome to Tash Life 2. Today we are doing a video that I like to call Fixing the Fails. I have had a couple of plants that I recently planted just die straight away. I think mostly it's my fault because I left them in the punnets for too long and the roots just rotted off, or just not happy with it. So they didn't last very long at all once I planted them. So I have bought replacements, and today we're going to go around and put them all in. So I'll take you to the first spot and see what we're doing. Okay, so this is the peas and the beans that I planted just a couple of weeks ago. You can see a lot of it has died. Not all of it, there's a couple of little, ones here. I've even got a little bean growing, a pea over here. I've even got some beans growing. A lot of them have died like this. It's just not, it's not happy. It didn't work. This one is getting some new shoots on it, but yeah, there's not much in here now. So I have bought another punnet and we're going to put that in straight away. We did already start to get a potato, one of these really big potatoes that I put in. So actually that doesn't look like a potato, that looks like a pumpkin. We get a lot of volunteer pumpkins, like out of the compost or something, and I reckon that is a pumpkin anyway, or a zucchini, but maybe a pumpkin. Here's the peas. As you can see, a lot of them just didn't work. So I got another punnet of these. We'll put them in straight away. So we've got two, and I'll put the rest in. So I'll set you up and we'll get into this one. Now we have this garden bed where I planted watermelon, and I did plant some flowers all along here, and there was something's been eating these watermelons on this side. The one that was over there The one that was over here has just completely gone. I think that might be what's left of it there. Something's eaten it. We have a random potato popping up. But all that's left in this bed now is these, pretty much these 2 watermelons over here. And this, which who knows whether that's going to survive. So I've got the rest of these marigolds I haven't put in anywhere yet, so I can put some of those in. And I've bought a nice big punnet of I think they're violas. Doesn't say, but I think they're violas. Pansies, maybe they're pansies. So I can put a whole heap of those in along the fence line there, trying to attract the bees to our 2 watermelons here. And anything else that needs attracting bees. So I'll set you up and we'll get into this one. Back. I just thought I'd give you a look on the way through. As bad as these raspberries look, we're starting to get raspberries on them. So, yeah, and over here too. Yeah. So maybe we will get lucky this year. I don't know why. I don't know why it's like this. I really don't. Anyway, let's on to the next garden. Passion fruit wants to grab me on the way through. So this is the one that has the cucumbers, zucchini, petunias. That's the rhubarb. And this is the broad beans. Now, if you've never heard of broad beans failing before, this is, I don't know, that one over there, completely dead. Oh, goodness. Here. There's just nothing left of that one. I don't know why. So I have bought some more broad beans, and I thought I'd chuck these two last pansies in here. We have so much space at the moment. So I'll set you up and we'll get on with this job. Okay, the next one we're going to try and fix is this avocado here. He's not happy with the tomatoes being in there, and the tomatoes are kind of stopped producing and all but died, except for this bit. So I'm probably going to take the cage off and or try, because the tomatoes growing through it, but I will probably pull the tomatoes on this side out, or cut them off at the ground, whichever is, I don't want to, you know, damage the roots of the avocado, and maybe cut these ones off at the ground. I'm not sure if they're part of this plant or not, so we'll have a look at what's going on in there when I get the cage off. So I'll set you up and we'll do this one. I've cut pretty much all of the tomatoes down. There was another 2 in here closer to the root and I took them out. Hopefully I haven't damaged the avocado root or something like that. Hopefully he'll be a bit happier now. And we'll just wait and see if these things grow. I think they might, but anyway. I did give the asparagus a little trim while we were here. It is, you know, probably readying itself to become dormant, but I did just chop some of the bigger fronds off and I just gave them all a nice water. And that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this. You know, we don't always have successes. As a matter of fact, we quite often probably have more fails than successes. But, you know, we can always fix them and, you know, try our best. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.